Today I'm going to show you how to connect an NVR or DVR to the cloud. Videoloft is compatible with lots of recorder brands. In this video we'll be using a Hikvision NVR, but the process is the same for all compatible brands. You'll find a link to our compatible brands in the video description. To add cloud backup to a local recorder, you'll need a Videoloft Cloud Adapter, which comes in an 8 or 16 channel version and an enterprise rack version, which is perfect for larger applications. The cloud adapter needs to be on the same local network as the NVR and connected to power. Open up the Videoloft mobile app or web viewer and tap Install, then enter the Cloud ID. This can be found on the side of your cloud adapter. This will link the cloud adapter to your account. Videoloft scans the same local network as the cloud adapter to find the NVR. Once your NVR appears, flip the toggle and enter the NVR's password. Then choose the channels you want to send to the cloud and press Install. After up to 60 seconds, the cloud adapter will be connected to the NVR over the local network, and it will send footage to the cloud via encrypted TLS channels over the internet. And that's it. Now it's all connected and you can view the camera's live stream and scroll back through all of its recorded video events. You can search by date and time, and you can even search by specific objects detected, like people or cars. Once you've found the video you're looking for, it's easy to play back, download and share.